In an increasingly volatile Middle East, Pakistan's latest diplomatic initiative signals not just concern, but calculated leadership. Masood Ahmad Khan, former ambassador of Pakistan to the United Nations states, China, and the United Nations, and former president of Jammu Azad Kashmir, presents Islamabad convening of key regional powers as a bold attempt to halt a conflict that threatens to spiral into one of the most devastating confrontations in modern history. His warning that the crisis could rival the destruction of World War II is not any mere rhetoric, but a reflection of the alarming trajectory of current hostilities. When sets apart from Pakistan in this tense geopolitical landscape, its rare diplomatic balance, maintaining working relationships with both United States and Iran, while also enjoying deep strategic ties with Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and Egypt. Islamabad is uniquely positioned to act as a bridge rather than a pristine actor. This diplomatic capital, built over decades, now faces its ultimate test. However, the road to de-escalation is riddled with obstacles. Entrenched with positions in Washington and Tehran, coupled with the absence of Israel from the mediation framework, complicate any immediate breakthrough. Meanwhile, escalating strikes on critical infrastructure raises spectra of mutually assured destruction, a chilling reminder of how key regional tensions can ignite global consequences. Yet, in these challenges, Pakistan's initiative, it represents a very crucial window of opportunity. It underscores the power of quiet, persistent diplomacy over reckless escalation. If successful, it could not only prevent widespread devastation but also reaffirm the relevance of cooperative regional leadership in an era of increasingly defined by conflict.